how you can change the font size in your thread. Now, to change the font size in your thread, you need to change the font size in your entire system. So to do that, first just go to your settings, and after you're on your settings, scroll down till you find the display and brightness setting. Go to display and brightness, and there you'll see the text size option. Tap on text size and just set the size till for your preference, and after you do that, just tap on back and it's done. Now just thread, and there you can see the size has been updated. Now you can do this again. Just go to your settings, go to your display and brightness, text, and just increase or decrease, and just go back, and there you can see the size has been increased now. And there you have it. That is how you change the font size of your thread app. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.